Zubtitle. Make awesome videos in minutes. What is Zubtitle? Zubtitle is an online tool that allows you to create subtitles for your videos in minutes. It's free and easy to use with a great user experience. You can also customize the fonts, colors, and position of your subtitles on screen. Zubtitle features: first, subtitles video; second, video resizing; third, add a title headline; 4. Add progress bar; 5. Add logo; 6. Video trimming. First, subtitles video. Zubtitle is a platform dedicated to making it easier for creators like you to make professional-looking videos and stand out on social media. Second, video resizing. With Zubtitle, you can resize your videos to fit the social media platform they're being posted on while also offering a simple video editor. Third, add a title headline. Create a headline for your video with Zubtitle. It will help you to get more people to stop scrolling and watch by adding an engaging, animated headline in seconds. 4. Add a progress bar. Zubtitle's online video editor makes it easy to include a progress bar animation on your social videos. Add this feature to grab the attention of your audience. 5. Add logo. Branding your videos on social media is easy with Zubtitle's simple online video editor. It lets you add a custom watermark or logo to your videos in seconds. 6. Video trimming. Give your audience the attention they deserve by trimming larger videos into shorter ones for Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and more. Zubtitle's online video editor makes it easy to do so. Is Zubtitle worth it? The Zubtitle app is worth trying. It's perfect for making subtitles more accessible. It's so easy to use and it makes adding captions a breeze, which is great because you can upload scalable videos. Is Zubtitle legit? Zubtitle is not a scam. It is easy to use and even easier to set up. It just needs the YouTube app, Instagram, or any other social media platform for subtitles. Zubtitle pricing plans are as follows. Pros. First, the UI is simple. Second, pricing is fair. Third, this app is easy to use and has customization options for fonts, colors, etc. Cons. First, I would love to see more options for the captions, but what's there is still pretty good. Second, you can't upload more than 30 minutes to their most expensive plan. It's not a huge issue, but the market probably demands 60+ minutes in certain sectors. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel Digital Marketing Tools. Also, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. For more information, please visit our website idealonlinebusiness.com. Link for the website is given in the description box below.